To protect a worksheet or workbook, you go to your ribbon, right? Then you go on review. Then on review, under review, there's a chunk called protect. Then there's protect sheet there and protect workbook. So to protect your sheet, you will click on protect sheet. Then you can simply enter which your desired password. Let's say 1234. 1234 like that. Now, if I try to edit the worksheet, it fails because the worksheet is protected. Not until I go on unprotect sheet and enter the password which I created, that is when I can be able to edit. Now, let's say you want to edit a certain range within a protected sheet. Let me just do this. Yes. So let's say we want all these other cells not to be protected, but this yellow cell here to be protected. You simply go on review, protect sheet, then you simply go on allow edit ranges. Then you enter which cell you go on allow edit ranges. There, allow edit ranges, new. Then we'll say this cell is the only cell that we can have access to. Then we'll go on OK. Then we can protect the sheet. So we can protect the sheet with, let's say, a password the password 1234. 1234. If I try to edit the worksheet, it fails. But if I try to edit the cell that was allowed to be edited, I'm able to do whatever I can. Then now to protect your workbook, you go and review, then there's protect workbook there. You create your desired password, and that's it.